And welcome to Basic Functions and Characteristics of RIP version 2. This is part of the CCIE Security Written Exam Certification. And we're going to talk a little bit about distance vector routing over the next couple of minutes here. So many of you are probably already familiar with distance vector routing. It's based on the premise of how far a device is or a network is and in what direction. So a pretty simple concept, but essentially that's what distance vector means. Now, typically your distance vector routing protocols are going to have a higher administrative distance than your link state and hybrid routing protocols, and that's because those link state and hybrid routing protocols are considered to be more accurate. So if we had to break a tie between them, we would certainly want the more accurate routing protocol to be the preferred routing protocol. So with distance vector routing, our routers are going to pass periodic copies of the entire routing table to their neighboring device. And this is regardless of whether that neighbor is running the routing protocol or not. So every 30 seconds with RIP, we're going to take those routes and we're going to pass them right out of our interface. And if there is a neighbor that's running RIP version 2, then it'll go ahead and receive that update and go ahead and process it into its routing table. The routing information protocol is what we call RIP, but more typically today we deal with RIP version 2, which has some modifications made to it that make it a little bit more friendly in today's networks. But both of these protocols, RIP and RIP version 2, these are both distance vector routing protocols.